said, manpower without unity is not a strength. Unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. I once again warmly welcome each and every one of you to this very grand, with a purpose unity march in the occasion of Sadar Bhai at 150th birth anniversary. First of all, I would like to highlight today's program. To begin with, we will have a floral tribute to Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel by our respected dignitaries, followed by a welcome address by the District Youth Officer, Sir Jadonang. There will be a cultural dance from Pumgong Youth and Cultural Club, followed by an address by our chief guest. After which, there will be a plate taking, which will also be taken over by our respected chief guests. There will be a vote of thanks from Sir R.K. Lungsangai, District Convener, which will be followed by a unity march flag off. Before we begin, I would just want to highlight that this march is organized by the Mera Yuva Bharat in coordination with the district administrations. Beyond that, we stand here with a greater purpose, and a sign to reaffirm our commitment and national unity and harmony. Thank you once again, and to begin our program, I would like to request our respected chief guests and other dignitaries to kindly step forward for the floral tribute to Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel. Thank you all to our respected dignitaries. You may kindly take your seat. To proceed with our program, I would like to give time to our respected Sir Jadonang, District Youth Officer, for the welcome address.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, dear fellow friends, I extend my warm welcome to all of you today to this program of Unity March, which is organized to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. We are so honored to celebrate the life and legacy of Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel. We shall march today with a renewed commitment of sense of purpose and patriotism. I welcome once again each and every one of you, and we look forward to a successful event today. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Before we proceed to the next, we would like to have a small time of presentation to our dignitaries. Once again, I call upon our District Youth Officer to hand over the presentation. I request our dignitaries to kindly raise up and receive our token of love when I call out your name. First of all, I would like to request our respected Deputy Commissioner, Tamenglong, Dr. Al Angshim, to receive a token of love. Secondly, I would like to request our Superintendent of Police, Sir Lanmio Luikam, MPS. Third, we have Ma'am Hanling Dongle, ex-member of District Council. Fourth, we have to add God's resanbam gum ni Lungthau Malingmei me thau khang hai it starts with you tum tai kuma asai an unity march kha khang ding aba mi hai ni aniu khau ri ka hau ni thei tumai lian mai sna aram Fungong Youth and Cultural Club rina kaniu khre ka hau mai sna pon piu gai kan mai lam lu gai kan mai ka gan gut na Lungthau mai le lian na aniu tong mung ti hai ni ti karu chui na karu lau mi khang ta ni thun ku thei tin kuma sa lau ni thei. Moving on to the integral part of our program, I would request our chief guest of today's event, Dr. L. Angshim Dansawa, IAS Deputy Commissioner, to address the gathering. And also I would request our sir if we could take over the plate taking ceremony after your address. Thank you.
Mr. Lungthau Malingmei, Superintendent of Police Tamenglong, and all the officials, my respected DLOs, and the representatives from the village, the school students, college students, and my friends from media. As we stand here this morning, it is just not a symbol. I just would like to take few minutes to let you know about this great man. Sadar Patel was one of the freedom fighters that I admire personally. For those of you, the diverse India, the challenging India that existed at that time during the freedom struggle, more than 500 princely states were integrated and merged through the effort, through the significant effort of this great man, which is why till today, the tallest statue in the world, such a grand statue. I wish and I hope that all the students can one day, you will get the opportunity to visit there. It's a grand statue, so big that we have to climb up with a lift inside the body of the statue. And the lift opens, on the two eyes of the statue, and we can see the great city of Kevadia and the beautiful view of Narmada River. Tamenglong itself is a very diverse place, as you can see. We are not just one community, but we consider communities. We have significant population of Meitei communities residing in our town. So it is extremely important that a time may come when divisive factors, when elements try to disintegrate us, try to break the peace. It is extremely important that you and I carry the ideal values that has been spread, that has been always propagated by Sadar Patel, the values of unity, the values of integrity and communal harmony. So, on this very auspicious day, I am delighted to see many young students, and DLOs, and friends from media. And I also extend my thanks to the district youth officer for organizing this very important and significant of Swadesi, and resolve to use, to the best of my ability, products made in India. I commit to contributing towards building an Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-resilient India, and to inspiring others to do the same. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing us the significance of today's gathering and also for leading us in the plate taking. Now we have come to the end of our program. I would like to call upon Sir Namsurai Thomas Kapmai, Coordinator, IQAC Tamenglong College, for the vote of thanks.
I'd like to inform you that I'm a stand-in speaker for today's program this morning. Anyway, my sincere gratitude and thanks go to our respected Deputy Commissioner, sir, for his presence, for his time, and for his insightful talk on the values, the meaning, the purpose, the life of the great Indian freedom fighter, Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel. Thank you so much, sir. My thanks also goes to all the other dignitaries, SP sir, ex-MDC member, additional SP, ADC, SDC sir, and also the district youth officer, Sir Suntunam Tamenglong. Thank you so much for your time and your presence. Your presence is an encouragement to all the students, to all the youngsters, to all the youths of this district. Thank you so much. And I would also like to extend my gratitude to all the youngsters present here, to all the police personnel, the DLOs, and all the other invitees and other
kuma aniu tong duat nei thu hai khau ri tat kai ni melang thu loi lau the kuma mi hai loi pan mi gan kha aniu line kanai kumai kuma ka siam ma ka gan ka sak lap ni kuma aniu tong line goi ta settle su kan ni thai aniu tong chief guest deputy commissioner rina unity march tong flag off slaw we thai aniu mi putong Jadonang park karina aniu tong apollo ground phau ta march su kai jump ni tum tai ma goi na kha kuma salam tong the kuma kaloi na sai gong lao na bam gai me ko goi na ta thun ku thei tao new tong vote of thanks khani ka zau kan thei new tong dignitaries nun khani DLOs media Tamenglong college students NCC kharoi NSS kharoi khani army personnel nun new tong lung suna youth new tong town ka bam youth bam gai minun ka goi khani bai me departments that represents lao na mi tong mong khang ti thui lao khang tu na gong lao na bam gai me ko goi na ta thun ku thei tu mi tai kuma sa lao ni the kuma tao thu new tong unity march ta tat kai nu khang volunteers ka sa re guides lao na new tong line hai ka siam rai kho tu na kuma ka kan ti lam tong the reminder khana ti lao ni tum chu new tong tong march hai tat kai phone ti thai new tong apollo ground ka tai refreshment hai chan da la na bam ti me goi na mi tai ni soi na ka dam line sam lo kho tu na reminds lam tong ne
Hence, Tamenglong mana? Ini parti kolot berubah. Eka jiwa split. I solemnly plead that I dedicated myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was possible by the vision and action of Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you.